Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your lock screen with iOS 16. This is a recent update that Apple added with their softwares and it's kind of fun. It's not something that I probably use all of the time, but if you are someone who likes to have customization on your phone, then it's a fun little feature that you can use. So we're going to start by just on your lock screen here, and then you're going to press and hold on the screen, and it's going to bring you to a screen like this. You do have to have your phone unlocked, so you have to type in your passcode or have your Face ID activated, something like that, just so you can get into your phone. Brings you to a screen like this. You can see my current one here. To the right, I have a weather one. And then here is where we're going to add another one. So we'll press the plus button there, and it brings you to this screen right here. And something fun is you can, at the top, you can see you can shuffle your photos. So every time you turn it on, there will be a different photo. You can do people, cities, your pets. Like my suggested photos have some pictures I've taken and one of my animals. You can do like an emoji thing. We'll scroll down here and take a look at some of these. You can do emojis if you're a big travel person. You can do planes and clouds. You can do one of my favorites that I haven't activated yet, which is up here actually, which is the collections button here. This bubble screen, you can see that it actually has the depth where it covers the time and things like that. And you can turn that off by hitting that button, the three dotted button at the bottom. Turn that off, and there you go. But we'll go ahead and use this one here. And then at the top, you can see you can change the date to a different thing if you wanted to. You can do weather, activity, your calendar, any alarms if you have them, fitness. I'm just going to leave it as the date because I do like having that right there on my lock screen. You can also change the font of and the color as well. Different ones. Now, they don't have too many, but I would imagine that some will be added in the future. For now, we'll just go with this bolded one right here like that. And then here's where you can really add some widgets if you want to. You can have the weather, but if you have the weather lock screen, then you really don't need to have the weather there. You can do your battery, which I'm going to put as one of them. And you can do a small one and a big one, or a couple small ones. We'll do a small and a big right now. You can do the latest news if you'd like to do that. Clocks, they're different things like that. They're not really as intricate as the widgets that you can use for your home screen, but I wouldn't expect Apple to have like the Spotify widget, which I do have on my home screen, on your lock screen. That just wouldn't really make sense. So these are really basic. We'll also go with the reminders there. And I guess you can add one more, so we will go with calendar. So there's that. And then there are also different ones that you can do. You can do the fitness one, you can do home, different things like that. But there is that lock screen. You got the reminders, the battery, and my calendar right now. Thankfully, I don't have anything on my calendar or any reminders. But if you wanted to keep organized and keep on track with events that you have or things that you need to get done, that would be a great way to see it right there every time you turn your phone on. At the top, you're going to hit add, and then you can also do the wallpaper pairing so that the bubble look would be your wallpaper as well on your home screen. I'm just going to do the, we'll go ahead and hit set as wallpaper pair. We'll go ahead and do that. And then there is that lock screen there. So you can switch between your different ones if you would like. There is not an option where you can swap them to where they change every time you turn your phone on. That, unlike the shuffle photo, is not an option. The weather one is kind of nice because it shows you the weather outside, and then you just have different ones. I don't know how many you can add exactly, but I do have 3, and I can add a 4th. So I would imagine you can add quite a few if you would like to. So that is how you customize your lock screen with iOS 16. How many lock screens do you have? What are your favorite widgets that you have on your lock screen? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.